Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Trouble Free. In this video we are going to get started with a new playlist which is software engineering, in short also called as SE. So basically this subject is more of theory oriented. You'll not have any problems, you'll not have any derivations or such things to remember. So everything theory, everything, no logic, nothing. You have to remember all theory, all stories. Okay, so I'll try to make it as simple as possible for you people. So let's get into the video. In this video I'm going to tell you what is software, what are the characteristics of software, and what is the evolving role of the software and the changing nature of software as well. So let's get started now. First, what is software? You already know what is software and what is hardware, but let us see what is the formal definition that is given to software. Software is a collection of executable programs or codes, program codes, or program codes, associated libraries and documentation. See, simple set of executable program codes will come under software. Executable, that is you must be able to execute it, not non-executable ones. If they are having some errors or if they are having some bugs and issues, you cannot execute them, right? So it is a collection of executable program codes, associated libraries and documentation. That is the libraries, program codes and their associated libraries and documentations, all those things will come under the software itself. Got it? Now, so what are the characteristics of software? Let us see now. First, software is developed or engineered, does not manufacture. So what do you mean by development and what do you mean by manufacturing? Right, first, development is nothing but completely new things you will create, entirely new things you'll be creating in developing or engineering. But in case of manufacturing, you will not do that. You will be copying the existing one or you will be modifying. That is, you'll have a prototype, you'll have a design, you'll have a model, blueprint kind of thing, and you'll be following it in manufacturing. But in case of engineering or development, you don't do that. You create all new things. Okay, so that is the difference between development and manufacturing. Got it? And next, software does not wear out. Wearing out is nothing but, see, on time you cannot use it. Suppose you purchase new clothes, then after, if it is branded, then maybe you can use it for 1 or 2 years, then later on you cannot use it, right? Even shoes also, or any footwear kind of. So you cannot use things as time passes. Some things, not all the things. So in case of software, it does not wear out, which means you can use it forever. There is no expiry date for this. Yeah, this is very, no expiry date for a software. Okay, next, software is custom built. Custom built is nothing but you can say also customer built. That is, according to the choices of the customer, you will be doing it. See, suppose let us take any example of some food items or anything. They are already manufactured, you go to the supermarket, you pick them and you'll use it, right? But software is not like that. Customer will ask that I want so and so, I have so, the customer will give all their requirements, all their specifications. According to the choices of the customer, software is being built, right? Not according to, initially a software is built and the customer has to come and purchase it. It is not like that. So in most of the cases, the software is custom built only. That is, according to the choices of the customer, we will be building it. Okay, next, evolving role of the software. So evolving role of the software is nothing but a software has exactly two roles. One is the product and the other is the process. Okay, and see, dual role, it has two roles, product and vehicle. Vehicle is nothing but the process, that is vehicle for delivering the product. Okay, so first of all, software is a product. How do you see software as a product? I'll tell you. It produces, manages and displays the information, right? So as a product, the software will be producing and managing and displaying the information, and software is also a vehicle for developing the product, which is nothing but the process. That is, you have manufactured a product and you have to if you just keep it in your industry or keep it in your factory, sales will happen? No, right? You need to sell it, you need to make it advertised to the customers. So for that, what you need to deliver, you need to book a transportation, you have to go to the retailers or the wholesalers, you have to do it, you have to go to the distributors, you have to go to the advertisers, you'll be doing a lot of work, right? So the same way, if you just prepare a software and sit, it will not work. You need to deliver the software to the customer, right? And you have to take the review from the customer. So it is all about a process. So it is a vehicle for delivering the product. Both roles software only will do, and at a point it will act as a product, at a point it will act as a process according to the situation. Got it? Vehicle is nothing but the information transformer. As I said, you need some transportation, right? It could be anything. The information could be a single bit information, or it can be multimedia, like you can transfer text or audio or video or images, anything you can do, right? So that is what. Yeah. So as a vehicle, what software will do? It supports or directly provides the system functions. Okay. And next, that is, it will directly provide system functions, or either it will provide some support activities. Next is controls other programs. For example is OS, operating system. See, operating system will control everything in your system, right? So they're like controls other programs, and affects communication. So that is, so software as a vehicle will also affect the communication. For example is networking. You need networking, you need the networks to communicate with each other, right? So that is also software, and helps in building other softwares. Okay. For example, software tools. So nowadays we are having all pre-built tools, right? We just use the tool and we will be getting the output. Instead of writing a code each and every time, instead of that, we are using the tools. In order to make manufacture or develop those pre-built tools also, we need the existing software tools. Okay. So these are the software, the the tasks software will perform as a vehicle. Okay. Next topic is changing nature of software. So actually, in changing nature of software, we have 7 categories. I thought I'll be explaining that in this video itself, but let us postpone it to the next video. In the next video, I'll explain about the changing nature of software, and then after changing nature of software, I'll explain about the legacy software myths, and so on. Okay. So let's stop this video now. And if you're having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video till the end. And I've also started a study abroad channel, new channel. I'll give the link of the channel in the description. You can have a look.